Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The main difference is pate brise. A pie crust is a basic pastry dough using flour, butter, and water as the main ingredients. It can be used for sweet pies, like apple pie, as well as for savory dishes like quiches. Pate sucré is the same as the above pie crust but sweeter.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can definitely use a pre-made, frozen pie crust that has already been pressed into a disposable pan if you want to make this quiche even easier, but I like to roll mine out and bake it in one of my own pie plates.
Let's help you make your mark.
Prepare the quiche crust and yes, as you'll see, you should always pre-bake pie crust for the quiche to avoid a gummy pastry. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This technique, known as blind baking, creates a stronger crust that can better hold a moist filling, such as the egg mixture in quiche.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.